In everyday life, trains are often seen as one of the safest and most reliable forms of transportation. Yet in just a split second, unexpected incidents can turn everything into chaos and horror. Today's video takes you through some of the most shocking and terrifying train accidents, where the line between safety and disaster becomes thinner than ever. Prepare yourself, what you're about to witness is not only disturbing, but also deeply thought-provoking.
Chaos unfolds in the mud as dozens of vibrant trucks stall and struggle to move an inch. Engines scream, wheels spin helplessly, and the entire convoy is locked in a brutal test of patience and power. This isn't just a traffic jam, it's a battlefield of machines and mud.
Now, let's embark on a journey to explore top-of-the-line heavy-duty machines, unveiling unexpected possibilities on construction sites. And one notable tool among them is the wheel milling machine RWE 100. With explosive power and razor-sharp cutting blades, this machine effortlessly penetrates even the most challenging materials, becoming a formidable challenger to any obstacle. With this exceptional feature, it becomes an indispensable companion for professional fiber optic cable installation or precision excavation. Ready to face any challenge? The wheel milling machine RWE100 is an excellent roadworker, delivering top-notch construction projects and advancing the development of the construction industry. Have you heard of the fossorial pocket gopher, the best digging animal on the planet? This animal lives underground and has the ability to dig holes and a very complex tunnel system. But when compared to this machine, they pale in comparison. Introducing the Simex TF1000, a powerful milling and rock-breaking machine. With efficient cutting and milling, this machine is suitable for even the hardest rocks. The robust design and powerful engine allow for optimal performance on a variety of terrains and in harsh environments. The Simex TF1000 offers high productivity and reliability in rock breaking and milling, ensuring project progress and delivering excellent results. Next up is the Simex TF50, a compact stone milling machine designed for use on a 1.8-ton mini excavator to mill shale. With its hydraulic motor and chain system, the machine allows for seamless milling across the entire width. High performance and precision ensure excellent results in shale milling projects. The Simex TF50 is versatile and convenient for narrow construction sites. This machine is a reliable choice for milling shale on a mini excavator, enhancing productivity and saving time. Do you know the name of this impressive device? It's called the Aggressive Rock Auger, a powerful tool used for excavating hard rock and soil. With its sturdy design and sharp cutting blades, it can easily and efficiently penetrate challenging layers of rock and soil. This tool is suitable for construction and mining projects where digging through hard rock is a challenge. The Aggressive Rock Auger delivers strength and durability, ensuring high performance and reliability in handling tough rock and soil. And here is the Wombat tiller used in agriculture and landscaping. It helps soften the soil, create aeration, and provide good conditions for plants to grow. This tool is a great choice for improving soil quality and enhancing performance in gardening and planting projects. With reliable performance and flexible working, Wombat is a reliable companion for tillage tasks. Excavation's GOF 15131 gyroscope is an absolute machine. With its high capacity and flexibility, it ensures impeccable work quality every time. Its impressive working width of 9.50 to 14.70 meters makes it the perfect choice for any farm looking to improve their harvesting efficiency. You can always count on Excavation's gyroscope to get the job done right. Can be assembled and resized flexibly. This lawnmower is really a great choice for farmers. Valentini is the world's leading machinery group with more than 50 years of experience in the field of agricultural equipment manufacturing, dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions for all customer needs. Its products are designed and manufactured to meet the demanding requirements of farmers around the world. With the advancement in technology and the focus on quality, Valentini always offers high performance and outstanding durability. The Imperium 12,000 is a rotary tiller with a working width of up to 12 meters, the world's largest model in its class. It is equipped with a diesel engine, with a capacity of up to 156 horsepower. The engine of the machine is manufactured by Kubota, one of the world's leading engine manufacturers. In terms of power, the Valentini Imperium 12,000 is capable of operating effectively on difficult terrain thanks to its powerful engine and rapid acceleration. The machine can work on rough terrain without any obstacles. In addition, the machine is also equipped with advanced features such as electronic control system, ABS brake system, and shock absorber system to improve stability and safety when using. This is a perfect choice for large farms. And here is the Oxbow 4334, one of the world's first self-driving merger cars. With powerful diesel engine and autopilot system, this machine is capable of increasing harvest yield and improving forage quality. One of the special features of this machine is the front-mounted receiver, which provides the ability to merge without driving the tractor. This has revolutionized the harvesting industry and improved operator comfort. Consolidation has been incorporated into the new 4334, which improves production efficiency and minimizes harvest loss. Thanks to its advanced features and technology, Oxbow 4334 is one of the optimal choices for farmers to harvest efficiently and save time. This machine not only improves productivity, but also brings convenience and safety to the operator. And great contributions of technology in modern manufacturing industries are undeniable. This is Fingalru Year 2015, a harvester designed to harvest vegetables, especially dill. The machine is manufactured by Baird UC, a company specializing in the supply of agricultural machinery. The machine has a compact and flex group based in Switzerland. Liebherr T282C is equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity of up to 3,750 horsepower, and its maximum speed is about 64 km/h. Thanks to this powerful engine, the car is capable of carrying heavy goods and moving on difficult terrains such as hills and deserts. The vehicle has a length of about 14.5 meters, a height of about 7.4 meters, and a weight net about 260 tons. It can carry a large amount of material and complete the mining work in a short time. Large vehicles like these play an important role in the mining and construction industries, especially when it comes to transporting heavy materials such as ore, stone, sand, and cement. A tremendous power, this giant machine was created to crush large blocks of stone. It looks like a monster, with a height of more than 4 meters. The power of this machine is amazing. The Rockhog locomotive is a series of powerful spiral cutters that can cut granite like butter. When the machine's engine is running, the spiral blades rotate at more than 1,000 RPM, crushing the hardest rocks in a split second. With the Tesmic TRS 1475 Rock Hog, the heavy lifting has never been easier. This machine not only saves time and labor but also brings economic efficiency to the project. Which machine are you most impressed with? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and get great experiences in the tech world. Have a good day, see you again.